This is a dual-action model clamp with reversible heads, by Expotools. In the pack, you will find the lightweight tool ready for use. The clamp is useful for holding model parts in place while glue dries. It has a clamp capacity of 100 mm or 4 inches. The simple hand-operated ratchet mechanism and nylon fibre jaws allow precision control to hold your model in place. To release the mechanism, simply press the orange button. The tool's heads are reversible to convert from a clamp to a spreader. This is done by removing the butterfly screw and refitting to the opposite end of the spar. Instructions are provided on the back of the pack to help you get started. The Dual Action Model Clamp with Reversible Heads, by Expotools.